like it, Nak. It's beautiful.
Should I switch different color?
I know. You can wear that on winter, right? Yeah, you wear that when you're wearing sando. Mak, where's my eyeglasses? Eyeglasses ko, Mang. Oo nga. Nasaan kaya? Nak, may eyeglasses in your bag?
No.
Wala, nawala. Oh, here. Kasi sabi ko malaki, bakit magkasya sa ano ko?
Can I switch to different color?
No, you cannot. You already buy it. No, that's why. Tingnan mo, ayaw niya na ng kulay.
Bakit?
It's 350, ano,
Change
this wasted. What color do you want? Let's go and ask them if you can change, but you already wear it. It's not good. Next area. Which one do you want, anak? Ha? Oh, ma'am, bili-bili ka ng halaman, ma'am, mag-luggage na tayo.
Mamamulaklak ni mga ganyan. Oh. Yan
Golden.
po, 100. Lagi siya na
Golden
designer.
cactus. Bawal magdala ng ng plant sa aeroplano.
Si Kirsten saan na? Oh, si Kirsten. Si Silingin na yung ulo ko.
Hindi ka nag-inom. Kumain ka na kanina, yun na mo naalala.
Kalimutan.
pesos.